I'm Milan with WD-40. Today we're going to be cleaning sensitive electrical components with the WD-40 Specialist Contact Cleaner. This is essential to maintaining electronics like control panels, circuit boards, and switches. Step 1, turn off and prep. Ensure that all devices are turned off and accessible. Step 2, apply contact cleaner. Spray the contact cleaner onto the electrical components. It's excellent for reaching hard to access contacts and leaves no residue. Step 3, allow to dry. It's safe to use on most materials with a dielectric strength of over 20,000 volts. With WD-40 Specialist Contact Cleaner, your electrical system will be free of debris and functioning optimally. All right guys, there you have it. I hope that you got some value out of those tutorials. Now, if you want to learn more about the entire Specialist brand, head over to WD-40 to check out the full range of the Specialist brand to see how the pros use it.